page 17, line number 69, channel 3. This line of music has a key signature in it, which we just learned about on line numbers 64 and 65 of page 16. So refer back to that lesson for There's the Same Music in the Air if you need a review of that. For this one though, it actually changes its time signature, the little numbers that come right after our key signature. Can you spot the difference between this one and the ones that we've used in the past? There's a number 3 on the top of that number. Normally we would see 4, 4. On this one we see 3, 4. So for this line of music, what it tells us is that the top number 3, we get 3 counts, 3 beats per measure. There is no beat 4 in the time signature of 3, 4. The bottom number, the 4, reminds us that the quarter note is the one that gets the beat here. So we only have 3 quarter note beats per measure. In channel 3, we have a line of music and then a clap line. Don't worry about the clap line right now. We just want to worry about the piece of music. So for this one, let's take a look at our note letter names. One, ready, go. E, D, C, B, C, D, E, E, F, G, A, G, F, E, D, E. Now at the end of that line, it actually has that repeat sign, so we'll go back and play it again for a total of 2 times through. While we just went through our note letter names, did anyone notice a different type of note that we haven't encountered before? It actually sounded like it lasted just as long as our half note tied to our quarter note. It was the dotted half note. So if you don't know where that is, take a look with me, measure 1, 2, 3, 4. It has the breath mark right at the end of it. You see that half note? It looks like it has a mole right next to it. That dot right there actually adds half the value, time-wise, of whatever note it's attached to back onto it. So our half note is normally worth 2 counts. What's half of 2? 1. So 1 plus 2 is 3. We're going to hold it out for 3 counts total. So make sure that you're thinking about that when you go through and you play it as well. Let's take a listen to it, one time through, nice and slow. One, 2, 3, 1, ready. Now, some of you might have noticed that, oh yeah, I actually need to play that A flat there. So make sure you're looking at that key signature. It tells you everything you need to know, but you need to make sure that if you forget it, you take your pencil and you write in that little flat next to a note. It helps you a lot. Let's try it one more time, a little bit faster.